I'm Andy Jeffery and I live at Farrington's Farm Shop in Farrington Gurney near Bristol. To have the right bit of kit to do a particular job is very important. It goes from a tractor, at the top end to, what you wear on your body and what you wear on your feet. I now know that my son Lawrence has sent me a pair of Dunlop wellies, which I'm very pleased about because mine actually have got a hole in, so I do need new wellies. What the hell? Holy cow! Hi Lawrence, I know you're watching this. Thanks for sharing these boots with me, but I'm sorry to disappoint you. You can't borrow them. They're really good wellies. Bloody good. No, they are really good wellies. Definitely.